I think about Billy. He was a butt-naked Trump supporter.
Huh?
Talking about Trump gonna make dick again.
Excuse me?
Trump gonna make Trump gonna make great again.
Trump gonna make great again.
Hey, if that's the case, how did
Trump
I
gonna make again.
Hey, Boo, how did I run to the poll? How did I run to the poll?
Trump gonna make great again.
Trump gonna make great again. Trump gonna make great again.
Trump gonna make again.
Hey, if that's the case, how did
Trump
I
gonna make
Hey,
again.
how did I run to the poll? How did I run to the poll?
Trump gonna make great again. Yeah, she look like her.
Trump gonna make great again. Trump gonna make
Trump gonna make great again.
Hey, if that's the case, how did I
Great again.
Hey, Boo, how did I run to the poll? How did I run to the poll?
Trump gonna make great again. Yeah. About Billy, he was a butt-naked Trump supporter. Talking about Trump gonna make great again.
Trump gonna make great again.
He gonna say it again. Oh, that sounds real.
Trump gonna make great again.
Trump gonna make great again.
Hey, if that's the case, how did
Trump
I
gonna make great again.
Hey, Boo, how did I run to the poll? How did I run to the poll?
Nah, bro,
Trump
that's
gonna
funny.
make great again.
That's too funny, bro. He keeps saying it
Yeah.
too, bro.
She look like